Hi, welcome to this quick video showing you what to do with those old craft CDs that you've got which all of a sudden won't allow you to print out on Windows 10. There's a relatively easy fix, and if you bear with me I shall take you through it. Excuse the camera work, but I'm holding this freehand because I'm on a PC and that's not my normal environment. Excuse me. Right, the first thing we need to do then is to get the CD, on any of your craft CDs. Take the first one, which is CD1, and pop it into the disk drive. There we go. And then we should be able to find that in our Windows Explorer. We'll open up that, and there we go, on the left hand side, DVD drive, country diary. So if we click on that, so it opens up the files, and then you'll find that all the files are in there, and if you scroll right to the very bottom you'll find that there's a autorun.exe. Normally you would click on that, or you would insert your CD and it would auto run, or you could click on that and it would open up the program. Of late people have been finding that these craft CDs, the older ones, won't allow you to print out on Windows 10 for some bizarre reason. The fix for that is, instead of double clicking on that auto run to open up the files, if you right click, you'll find then that you can got options and you can run it as an administrator. Click on the run as administrator, then you get this warning, do you want to allow it, and you click yes. Then what it will do is open up that CD as it would normally, and you should be able to find now that you can print away to your heart's content. There we go. As browse spring, there's all the images. Let's go for the birdie one. If you don't run as administrator, you can do all these steps. You can find the right image, that one, double click it as you would, because it says at the top, click an image to open and print. Prior to running to the administrator you could do all these steps, but when you came to print it, it would send it to the printer, but it would just whir around forever. Now, because we're running to administrator, it's opened up that PDF, the country file 021 PDF. It's there ready to print. If we would now go to print over there, we would find that we could select your local printer. In this instance I think it's connected to the Canon. There we go. And then if we were to go down and print that, that would then print out, whereas prior to running it as administrator it wouldn't do it. So hopefully that's given you a quick fix to get those old CDs going again. Blast from the past. Please let me know if it works for you. If not, we can have a look at perhaps some more workarounds. Thank you very much for listening. Catch you again soon. Bye for now.